Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Kymco Mongoose 70. This youth ATV just arrived in beautiful condition. Price to sell only $15.99. This scooter is gas powered and electric start, and it is for ages 6 and up. It's got a little safety pull cord. You can follow the child and pull the cord if things get out of whack. Backup Kickstarter. Come on by and make your youth ATV dreams come true for just $15.99. We do have financing and extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Throttle limiting to prevent the top speed from being too high. A lot of fun for the little ones. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.